Hey guys, it's David, and Goofoto sent me their flexible tripod to unbox and test out. I've had many tripods in the past, so let's see how this one does. It has flexible legs to tightly grip around complex surfaces when you want to, get amazing footage. It also boasts waterproof and rubber durable anti-slip material for the finish of the tripod. So this tripod can connect to a phone camera with the supplied camera grip and can connect to the DSLR camera via the screw tip on the top of the tripod. Both provide what seems to be good, stable grip. The head of the tripod can rotate 360 degrees. It also has a wireless remote control for controlling the phone to take photos, etc. This connects via Bluetooth and was fairly easy to set up. So all in all, the Goofoto tripod is actually a really good tripod, especially if you're out and about vlogging and you want to get really awkward or unusual angles with your camera or DSLR. This will definitely assist you in doing so. But the truth is, you really need two tripods. You need a flexible one and also a fixed one as well. Because the Goofoto tripod, because it's flexible, it's really hard to kind of get the legs straight again. So what I'd recommend doing is having a flexible tripod and getting a tripod with fixed legs that don't bend. So you're always getting accurate, balanced views when you're taking photos or video recording. And then if you want those unusual kind of close-up views, you can rely on this, or if you want to grip onto difficult surfaces, this will be a good use. So thank you so much for watching so far. Definitely watch all of these amazing unboxing videos I've done so far. And let me know down below, do you use tripods to record your videos? Have you had the Goofoto tripod before? And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.